of this on the vessel. So I'm going to add the vegetables now. This is the Chinese vegetable, the top chow. You're watching the Winston GeL cooking and let's start the cheese. Looks can be seasoned. I thought it was a lot of vegetable, but once you put it to the fire and heat fix it, this is what I have left. Not a whole lot of vegetable. Process a little bit down, so stick with it. Chinese vegetable and 50 bacon and chicken pox. So I'm going to get the main stove going now. Alright, I'm going to pour my egg mixture. This egg omelet is different than all the other egg omelets that I've made in the past. This is different, okay? It's different because I'm adding flour and I'm doing a different type of egg omelet. I don't want to do the same type, so I'm changing up the recipes and the ingredients. Alright, so turn the fire low. Yes, I turn the fire low. And I'm going to cover it up so it can take form. And then once it takes form and firm enough, then I'm going to add all the ingredients and then put all the trimmings on it. Alright my friends, you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. The pop chow that I thought was a lot of pop chow, my goodness, once it went on the fire it just shrunk. Actually disappeared. There's not much here, but I have more, but it's not cooked. This is already cooked. So I'm just going to add the turkey bacon and the chicken franks. Yes, this is chicken franks and turkey bacon. I'm dressing it with. So this is a special omelet, egg omelet here. Combination of vegetables and meat. Alright. And then I'm going to add the cheese on top of it. Put some other dressings to finish it off. You're watching the Winston GeL. Yes, Cooking on Discovery TV. Alright. Get a little bit more cheese on here. Alright, my friends. So that's what it looks like right now. So this is the finishing. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. So that is my special vegetable egg cheese omelet. Yes, my special vegetable egg cheese omelet with turkey bacon and chicken franks. And you're seeing this on the Winston GeL Cooking on Discovery TV. Alright, so I'm going to put it in the oven and allow the cheese to melt. And so everything can look uniformly, aesthetically beautiful. I am going to top it off with a little bit of bacon bits, not too much because it's very concentrated salt. I have to be very careful with the salt. So just for aesthetics, yes, just to top it off with some bacon bits. Okay, that's it. No more than that. Yes, you're seeing this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright, my friends, the plate is not big enough. I thought the plate was big enough, but there it is. There it is. That is the final outcome. That is the final outcome turkey bacon, egg, and vegetable cheese omelet. Yeah, long title. Turkey bacon, vegetable, egg, cheese omelet. So many different titles I can give it. Alright, so that is the outcome of it. So we have turkey bacon, we have chicken franks, yes, and we have pop chow vegetables in there, and we have bell peppers, yes, and of course, curry and sea salt. Yeah, those are the ingredients. So if you want the ingredients, you have to watch the entire video to get the ingredients. Turkey bacon, egg cheese omelet with vegetables. Turkey bacon, egg cheese omelet with